Welcome to this video. In this session, we are going to see the demo of this application add form face symbol. This application adds a form face symbol in the marking plan with part mark attributes. Let's see the demo. Once you double click, it opens the application. So you can go and choose the mark attributes and change the symbol size and do the cross selection and click. So here you can see for this panel outside is the form face, and for this one it is inside. This is just for the demo, and this one for outside. So when you do the cross selections, you don't have to create any selection filter because system will consider only the panels in the drawing sheet. So let me just click once again. So this application is quite dynamic because if you make any further changes in the model, system will automatically update it. So the red face, what you can see is the form face. Maybe I'll just take this one. I'll change the form face of this so that it will automatically be updated in the drawing sheet. So here it is. Let me just close the drawing and go back to the model. Back and modify this and redraw the view. I'm selecting this once again, cast unit and show top in form face. Now it is on the other side. So when I open the drawing, you can see this update in the drawing sheet. So here you can see previously it was outside, now it is inside. So this list will read the part mark attributes from your model folder, form folder, and system folder. You can also save it here so that next time you can quickly load and apply the settings in the drawing sheet. Thank you for watching this video.